fourth ITB meet. I am really privileged and really happy that we are doing it in open. It's an amazing feeling that I am getting, and we are the lucky few. So that's how I feel. And obviously, just like last time, I felt that okay, let's have some theme. And on my way to Bangalore, I was in Air India flight, and I chanced upon this magazine. This is an in-flight magazine. I stole it, and there was an interesting article. So instead of tearing it out, I didn't have heart to tear those pages out of the book. So I thought maybe it is better to really bring the book and show it to you.
नेक्स्ट फ्लाइट में
वापस डाल देंगे. Okay, so whenever I go back again, I'll give it to back. Anyways, it is for April, and we were almost at the end of the month. And look at this shape of this magazine. So I thought I'm not doing too bad a thing here. Okay, so let me tell you what I'm talking about. By the way, before I talk about, we all have heard about performance testing, stress testing. Right? Can you stress yourself? If I were to say basically like how much can you run? Wouldn't that be stress? So how much can you run?
4 kilometers.
4 kilometers. How much can you run, Valerian?
2.
Satluj कितना run कर सकते हैं? 1 hour you can run?
Run. अरे मैंने ऐसे ही
Okay. What about you?
How far are you guys?
1 hour में होगा. Okay. Let's also talk about the kilometers that we can like measure. So how many kilometers can you walk or run? Is my question. Why am I asking? Okay, my reason is okay. At this age, I am talking about 4 kilometers. Now 10 years down the line, how many kilometers can I run? Would your efficiency increase or decrease? Then another 10 years, how much would it happen? Okay, you must be what, 28? I am 39, 40. I am announcing my age also. Right, so we're talking about at 40, I do have 2 kilometers walk. I used to run 4 kilometers when I was young. I am still young at heart. But now we're talking about basically a person named Fauja Singh. Okay, that was the article that I read. Okay, I'll just show you. Amazing guy. Okay, and I thought it's very relevant for our today's meeting. Let me just.
2
So
more
one page
people coming. मैं थोड़ा 2 लोग और आ रहे हैं. बस बाहर ही गेट पे ही हैं वो लोग.
Okay, कोई बात नहीं. ऐसा हम लोग कुछ मिस नहीं कर रहे. I'm just talking about in general the theme about this. I just wanted to show this article. He is the father. He is father. He is the center character out here. So he ran marathon, London Marathon at the age of 89. He ran the entire marathon at 6 hours and 54 minutes. How many kilometers? How many miles in a marathon?
27.
Kilometers around 40 kilometers plus. Continuously 6 hours, 54 minutes. At age of 89, he ran the entire marathon. Okay, he ran it again at age of 92. And he ran it in 5 hours 40 minutes. Okay. And now he's running again at age of 100 years. And he is on the cover page, or he is in the advertisement of Adidas. Adidas is the famous shoe brand in Europe. Much more popular than Nike and Reebok, especially in European part of the world. Right? And this advertisement is placed all across London. He's getting paid big time by Adidas company, and the article says 654 at age 89, 548 age 92. The Kenyans had better watch out for him when he hits 100. Okay, so that's we're talking about this guy. Okay, and he is running marathon this year again, and you can expect that maybe he'll beat the Kenyans also. That's what the ad is all about. Okay, then the interviewer asked him. He said, what does he think of elderly people complaining about their pains and aches, numerous other health problems? He says, people are prosperous. They watch too much TV, have too much to drink, and eat very rich food. They travel in cars and take no exercise. This lifestyle triggers health problems. Okay? Father Singh says, I say to them, go out in the fresh air, okay, and feel nature. Secret of his health and happiness, I go to bed early and taking the name of my Rabba, as I don't want all those negative thoughts passing my mind. So I thought that this is the most appropriate theme.
We have one theme for gathering
Yeah.
knowledge. Properly.
He's much younger though, huh?
So, proper theme. to
Proper
get it
theme,
to
yeah. So,
knowledge,
correct. So I thought maybe since we are meeting in fresh air, feeling the nature, and also thinking about that what would happen to us when we become 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, we have to really think about what we are in for life here. Can we make something of our own? Can we be counted as Fauja Singh? Can we make a name of us? So I think that's what is ITB all about. Let's create something for the ITB world, for the testing world, and obviously that's what I wanted to bring and share. And hopefully we'll all have fun today. And whatever, doesn't matter how many of us is there. At least we are meeting. The meeting is continued. We had an option to do it somewhere, and we thought maybe this is the best time. It was Ashish's idea. So can we have a round of applause? Thank you so much, Ashish. And we really are thanking him. Right? So let's wait for two more guys to come, and then I'll begin my estimation session. We don't need any whiteboards. I'll use one of your copy pens here and begin with that.
Estimations will
Let
be
me just go and get
basically points in testing.
Okay. In estimation, there are many techniques. See, there is a specific technique called.
walk like that. You can give me a big step. This time.